Today, I'm trying this chicken sandwich sauce from Kroger. I think it might be like the Chick-fil-A sauce from Chick-fil-A because, just look at the color. And also, the thing says our sauce captures the flavor of your favorite chicken sandwich, but now you can have it any day of the week. And Chick-fil-A is closed on Sundays. I'm not actually gonna use this chicken sandwich sauce. I'm just gonna use it as a chicken tender sauce. So let me grab my chicken tenders. I almost dropped my phone. So this is the chicken tenders I bought from Kroger. I'm gonna open it. Place frozen chicken tenders in a single layer on a microwave-safe plate. Heat uncovered on high for 2.5 to 3 minutes, turning halfway through heating time. Let stand for 1 to 2 minutes before serving. It's not asking me how many chicken tenders to get on the plate. So, these are how big the tenders are. So, I got the tenders. Now, I got the microwave. Now, the food is cooking. We're halfway there, so it's time to move the plate. So now, time to get out. And grab that chicken sandwich sauce. While I'm at it, I'll grab my old trusty, dependable Sweet Baby Ray's for some more comparison, I guess. I don't know. I'm not the best at these videos. So, we open this. Oh, the plastic's on it. I very gently ripped open the plastic on this chicken dipping sauce. It's time to open it back up and pour some on my plate. That's a good amount. And for comparison's sake, time to open up the Sweet Baby Ray's. Alright. Now, it's time for the taste test. But first, let me get this in my room. Alright, so now, let's try the chicken dipping sauce. I know people like close-ups. I have to say, it's pretty tasty. I don't know if it can be exactly compared to Chick-fil-A, but it is a pretty dead-on rip-off. is very delicious, at least. Yeah, I have to say it's a pretty great impersonation of the Chick-fil-A sauce. It'll be good on your sandwiches, it'll be good on your tenders. It'll be good on your nuggets too. I don't need to taste test Sweet Baby Ray's. I know that is golden. Everyone knows that is golden. If you don't like Sweet Baby Ray's, please tell me in the comments so I can delete it. So yeah, this was good. And if you want to, buy your own knockoff version of a Chick-fil-A sauce, Kroger has it. I've heard Walmart has it. It's a good way to, try the best without, supporting a anti-LGBT corporation. Okay.